Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animal GIF effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add animal GIF, so you just click on the this sticker, click on it. And after this, at the menu, you can swipe until you can see mosaic menu. This is the mosaic menu, so you just click on it. And after this, you can swipe down, and in here you can see animal GIF. So you just add the animal GIF that you wanted to add. I wanna add a cat, so I just click on it, and you can set in here like this. And I want to add a cat again, so you just click on this one and click on it, just like this. Okay, and after this, you can set the duration for the sticker until the end of the video or anything you want. And finish. So that's how to add animal GIF on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.